In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text on Wix Studio. Providing alt text for your images is a simple yet vital step in enhancing both the accessibility and SEO of your website. Alt text, or alternative text, serves as a description for images, enabling visually impaired users to understand the content through screen readers. Additionally, it aids search engines like Google in indexing your images, thereby improving your site's visibility. Now, let's dive into how you can add alt text to your images on Wix Studio. First, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Start by navigating to the page where your desired image is located. This step is straightforward but essential, as it sets the stage for the modifications we're about to make. By ensuring you're on the correct page, you'll save time and keep your workflow smooth. Once you're on the right page, go ahead and select the image you want to edit. Simply click on the image itself. If your image is part of a gallery or media container, make sure to select the entire element so you have full control over its properties. Your selection should be highlighted, indicating it's ready for editing. Next, focus on opening the image settings. With the image selected, look for an icon that typically takes the form of a gear. This often signifies the settings option. Clicking on this icon will bring up a settings panel specifically for the image you've chosen. This panel is the hub where you can tweak various properties of your image, including the all-important alt text. Now that you're in the settings panel, direct your attention to finding the field for alt text. It might be labeled as something like "What's in the image?" or "alt text," or perhaps even "Tell Google." The purpose of this field is to capture a concise yet comprehensive description of the image content. When typing in your alt text, keep it short yet descriptive. Think about what's most essential about the image and communicate that clearly. Being specific can enhance both accessibility and search engine optimization. Finally, once you've entered your alt text, it's time to save your changes. This is a crucial step as it ensures that your additions are actually applied to the page. You can typically save by pressing Enter or clicking a button labeled Apply or Done within the settings panel. This confirms that the alt text has been successfully integrated into your site's collective information. And there you have it, the process of adding alt text to your images on Wix Studio. Remember, by regularly integrating alt text, you're not only complying with web accessibility standards, but you're also optimizing your site for better search engine performance. Thanks for joining me, and feel free to check out more tips and tutorials to make the most out of your web design experience.